يا حبيبي يا محمد يا نبي سلام.
Assalamu alaikum to all of my dear audiences. I hope you're all fine in this pandemic situation. So today we're going to discuss a very crucial thing, and it is man-made fibers. Myself Abdullah Al Tushi. My ID number is 193235726. So I hope you can see my slide. So in the very first slide you can see my picture, and this presented by Abdullah Al Tushi. My ID number is 193235726, and it is a presentation from textile raw material too. So in the very first slide you can see what is man-made fiber. So we all know that fibers are mainly two types. One is natural, one is man-made. So natural fibers we actually get from natural sources like animals, plants, trees, something like that. But in the case of man-made fiber, we get these man-made fibers from polymers. It may be natural polymers, it can be synthetic. So when we are taking it from natural polymers, we are calling it regenerated fibers. So in this case, man-made fiber actually we get from a advanced technology where we found spinnerets which have small holes. From every individual holes we find individual filaments. So I think you get the point. So you can see a picture of man-made fiber. Then why man-made fiber? We all know that natural fiber making or producing natural fiber is easy and conventional system, and we all know that we generally wear apparels, shirts or polo shirts or something like that, sharis which are made from cotton. So why man-made fiber? Actually it has some significant benefits here. First of all, its process is advanced. It's true, it needs advanced technology machines which are costly, it's true, but when you're going to production line you'll find a bulk production in less time in this man-made fiber comparing to natural fiber. And here you will find the the quality which is static and which is actually same, homogeneous, because we all know that when we are getting man-made fiber, this process is totally controlled by man force. So the fibers are even and its fineness is absolutely same in the edge, in the middle part and in the starting point. So these fibers are really good, and at the same time it produces some man-made fibers produces a glaziness which is comfortable for our eye soothing. So we found why we are taking man-made fibers. And another thing is, when you are going to bulk production you will find that its price is less than cotton fiber or something like that, natural fibers. So now the question arises, how man-made fiber produces. I already discussed man-made fiber production is not similar with the natural fiber. In this case we actually need advanced technology, and we actually follow three types of spinning processes. One is melt spinning process, dry spinning process, wet spinning process. In melt spinning process, the polymers we actually use, we actually first of all we melt it, and by using a pump we pressurize this melting polymers through a spinneret which has huge quantity of holes which are very teeny. From these holes we find individual filaments, and then we give a blow of cold air, which helps to make the filaments, what can I say, make the filaments in a room temperature, and it makes it hard and perfect. Then if we talk about dry spinning process, in this case we actually mix some solvents with the melted polymers. Then after getting the filaments from spinneret holes, we actually not blow cold air, we actually blow here hot air, because we need to separate the solvents. Then when we are going to give a blow which is hot, then we will find that the solvents are separating continuously from the filaments, and it will be collected by recycle bin. So I skipped another process, which is wet process, wet spinning process. In this case we find a bath which is coagulant, we find coagulant here, and it helps to make the filaments, what can I say, solid. So it is another process, but its speed is very minimum comparing to melt or dry spinning. So it is a advanced type of spinning process. Now, where man-made fiber? So actually we use man-made fibers especially in technical textile, because in technical sector we need special characteristics in our products, something like we need strong fiber, we need bulletproof fibers, we need very lustrous and glazy fiber, sometimes we need most absorbency fiber, and sometimes we need which fiber is totally water and air proof, something like that. So all these things we can meet by man-made fiber. So it has a great demand in technical textile. At the same time we also use man-made fiber in apparel sector, in home textile. We actually do blending with natural fibers, and it sometimes we hear a word spandex, so it is connected with the blending with man-made and natural fiber as well. So now which man-made fiber? Actually we can't use all man-made fiber in all aspects. So when we need bulletproof jackets or something like that, we use carbon fiber. When we need to do blending in apparel with cotton or something like natural fibers, we generally do viscose or polyester. And the thing is that when what kind of man-made fiber are used, we actually do it. So heartiest thanks for listening, and this presentation is presented to my dear beloved ma'am, Murshida ma'am. She is doing his responsibilities in Daffodil International University Textile Department as an assistant professor. I hope you liked it. Assalamu alaikum to all.